Disgusting. No. Nope. It's disgusting. This is not your winter wonderland that you've seen in the movies. This is some bullshit. You don't want nothing. Trust me, I'd rather have volcano eruptions, tsunamis, even asteroid strikes. Come on. It's better to live dangerously than to be locked in your house with this. Whatever this is here. Who knows if it's man-made? You know? Who knows if it's natural?